Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record screen on Windows 11 using built-in snipping tool. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to search and simply type in snipping tool. Now this is the app that we need. So simply click on snipping tool and you should see the option of camera and another video icon. So you're going to simply press on this one and now it says press Windows Shift plus R to start recording. Or you can also click on new over here and select the area that you wish to record. So let's go with the full screen. And now you should see the option of whether you want to record microphone as well. If you want to mute it, you can simply press mute, and whether you want the mute system audio to be enabled or disabled. So if you wish to disable it, you can simply press that and then click on start. And now it's going to take 3 seconds to begin recording. And now you can see the recording has begun. And if you wish to stop the recording, simply press on this red icon. If you wish to pause it, simply press pause. And once done, simply press on this red icon. And now you can see the recording has been downloaded. You can also navigate the recording within the screen recording section of the Windows. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.